How awesome would it sound if we told you that you could start earning money even when you are asleep? Crazy, right? Well, you can start saying hello to this thought because we have actually got one of the easiest ways that you can start earning money at home. Affiliate marketing has helped serve a lot of side income to working professionals. And if you too want some extra figures in your bank account, then trust me, the method we are about to show you is very easily going to give you thousands of dollars in your account every single month. So without waiting anymore, let's get you rich. Let's first ask the question, what is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, you are compensated by an internet shop for traffic or sales brought about by your recommendations. In a way that is less invasive, it is essentially traditional advertising. Rather than using graphic adverts to promote a product on your website, you simply incorporate the product URL into your text. Does that mean that you can build a website, add a ton of affiliate links, and then sit back and watch the affiliate commissions come in? Not quite, but we'll get there. You only need to be familiar with the basics of affiliate marketing for the time being, which are, number 1, through your website, blog, or email list, you suggest a good or service to your readers. Number 2, your followers use your affiliate link to make a purchase of the good or service. Number 3, for any sales made via your affiliate link, you are compensated. To make sure you understand exactly how to create a successful affiliate marketing strategy, let's break down this process in more detail. So what all do you need to start affiliate marketing? Number 1, create a website. The first requirement for affiliate marketing income is a website. You have several alternatives when it comes to building your website. However, we strongly advise WordPress use. Even if you don't know how to code, anyone can rapidly create a website that looks professional in only a few minutes with WordPress. Additionally, compared to other website builders, WordPress offers additional features to help websites function better. This translates to increased functionality throughout your website and enhanced user experience, or UX, for users. WordPress is undoubtedly the way to go if affiliate marketing is something you're interested in. You need to decide the products you wish to promote after building your website. That brings us to the second requirement before beginning affiliate marketing. Number 2, choosing affiliate products to promote. It should be simple to find affiliate products to advertise if you've done the research to identify a niche. Select goods that are relevant to your content and fit your niche. Joining an affiliate network is one of the greatest ways to choose your affiliate items. Affiliate networks are companies that link retailers and affiliate marketers so that both parties can increase their income. Affiliate marketers choose better products to promote on their websites by using affiliate networks. There are several affiliate networks. However, the following are some of the more well-known: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale. The fact that affiliate networks frequently have more information on how well a product sells is one of their advantages. The information can then be applied to boost affiliate marketing revenue. So, what are the various methods to make money from affiliate marketing? Step 1. Make content that will generate revenue. Most newbies simply produce some arbitrary content and include affiliate links as a means of earning money through affiliate marketing. That approach might or might not be successful, but if you're serious about increasing your affiliate earnings, you'll need to make sure the information you publish reaches the right people. Someone who wants to buy a product but is unsure of whether it will be worthwhile is your target audience. The user could occasionally be unsure of which product to purchase to meet their demands. It is your responsibility as an affiliate marketer to guide people to the product website where they can complete their purchases by assisting them in making the best possible purchasing decisions with high-quality content. This implies that your content should target investigational intent keywords, which are the kind of terms that your target market searches for on Google just before making a purchase. Step 2. Knowing how to promote your products in the displayed content. You now know the type of material you will create. Investigate. You're looking for subjects that center on your target audience's quest for a solution to the issue they're experiencing. It's time to start including affiliate links in your content once you've finished your keyword research and come up with some content ideas. The precise content you're creating will determine how you integrate your affiliate links. If you're writing a product review, it wouldn't make sense to include affiliate links for 5 distinct goods. On the other hand, you would want to include many affiliate links if you are exhibiting the top 10 tools for solving X in order to enhance your chances of generating more purchases. Inserting your links as strategically as you can is the aim. Here are some pointers you may use to maximize the placement of your affiliate links. Only use links where necessary. If an affiliate link won't fit with your content, don't include it. The user experience, or UX, will suffer as a result, and you'll end up losing more sales as a result. As soon as you can, add links. Make sure to include your affiliate products at the top of the list if you're featuring a lot of products in one article. Most individuals aren't going to read an article from beginning to end. Ensure that they see your affiliate links right away. Maximize the space on your website. To advertise your affiliate products, you can make use of sidebar widgets, floating bars, and inline banners. These increase the impact of your content and eventually increase sales. Pro tip: invest in an affiliate link plugin before you begin putting hundreds of affiliate links throughout your website. Why? Because imagine having to locate and replace hundreds of out-of-date affiliate links on your website without knowing where they are. Expired links that you had forgotten about could cost you hours of headaches and a fortune in lost revenue. Fortunately, using an affiliate management plugin will help you escape this problem. Step 3. Convert your visitors into customers. The assumption that they need to 10 times their traffic in order to 10 times their profit is one of the major errors novice affiliate marketers make. The fact that it doesn't actually operate that way is excellent news for you. Let's take the scenario where you are pushing a product on your website that pays $50 in affiliate commission for each transaction. And suppose your affiliate conversion rate is 2%, which means that out of every 100 people you direct to that website, 2% actually make a purchase. This indicates that your cost per click is $1 per click. What if, however, you could drive twice as many people to the affiliate product website? You might also double the affiliate money based on the CPC value. The best thing is that you don't need to drive more visitors to your website. Instead, you may just launch a campaign to optimize your conversions and increase your revenue. By turning more of your current traffic into affiliate customers using conversion optimization tools like Opt-in Monster, you may boost your earnings. This is unquestionably far simpler than substantially increasing your visitors. So, how can sites like Opt-in Monster boost your income from affiliate programs? Number 1. Create a pop-up. Like it or not, you cannot simply refute the effectiveness of pop-up ads. The simplest strategy to capture visitors' attention and increase the number of visitors who become affiliate clients is to create a pop-up campaign. Over 50 pre-built templates are available from Opt-in Monster to assist you in creating the best campaign for your affiliate product. From there, we provide a variety of targeting guidelines and campaign triggers to ensure that you are reaching the proper audience at the ideal point in their purchasing cycle. Number 2, showcase a campaign at the right time. Targeting is crucial when it comes to pop-up campaigns. You can display a pop-up campaign to the appropriate users at the appropriate moment with the suitable targeting. For instance, research indicates that the optimal moment to display a pop-up is just before a person leaves your website. If you follow these steps, your income is almost guaranteed to multiply. Having said that, let us now check out Step 4, optimizing the existing traffic for a higher revenue. The strategy that underpins this following action is known as the 80-20 rule. According to the 80-20 rule, 20% of your content should account for 80% of your income. Although it is obviously not a precise metric, the underlying idea is still valid. Make your greatest converting content a priority for affiliate campaigns by identifying it. To improve affiliate sales, you may design a targeted campaign after you know which posts or videos are popular with your audience. Now, before we get to the last step of making money via affiliate marketing, we would like to thank you for making it till this part of the video. If you enjoy such content, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on bell notifications to never miss another upload of ours. Having said that, let us now check out Step 5. Use email to grow your list. Email marketing is still the finest technique to generate passive revenue, regardless of your perspective. The other approaches are all deficient in some way. Up until Google updates its algorithm and your rankings fall, SEO is fantastic. If you have the money to experiment your way up the ladder, paid adverts can produce speedy results. Even then, paid advertisements need ongoing monitoring and care to maintain good conversion rates. However, the traffic from your email list is always yours. Additionally, a lot of individuals who are interested in your niche and have interacted with your content are there. That indicates you are aware of their interest in your subject and that they will make a great target market for your affiliate marketing efforts. The majority of business owners struggle to expand their contact list to the point where monetization makes sense. And this is the only issue with email marketing. So there are all the steps that you need to keep in mind to add those extra zeros to your bank account. What did you think of this video? Let us know in the comments below. We will see you in our next video. Until then, happy earning!